and the goat ear them. No chicken, that just a goat ear then.
Buy new, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
So the braiding hair that I'll be using for this hairstyle is called the Spetra pre-stretched braiding hair. It's 25 inches long and it's the color number 1. Also, I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. This jam is amazing. It parts my hair straight and it keeps my hair looking shiny and pretty. Also, I'm gonna be using the beeswax, the honey beeswax. And as you can see, I have my hair braided, well, in plaits, so I could have a little stretch in my hair while doing my braids. Now I'm gonna be unraveling those braids. After washing and plaiting my hair, I did get a little stretch. Now I'm gonna section out how big I want my braids to be, and then that piece I'm going to split into 3 pieces. This triple pack braiding hair came with 3 bundles in 1 pack, and 1 pack of hair did my whole entire head, sis. I'm gonna slow it down for you. This is in real time, so please watch carefully how I did my knotless braid. As you can see, no knots or no bumps at the starting of my braids. I'm gonna be showing you guys again in real time, so watch carefully. And by the way, this is my first attempt doing this knotless braid, and I think I did a pretty good job. What you guys think? Another thing is, when you're doing your own hair, I feel like the parting is the hardest part. Once you know how to master that part, you're good to go. It takes practice, and I'm sure you'll get it right.
So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next upload. Bye.